Grab those meal prep containers, give me 15 minutes, and you will have your diabetic low-carb lunch ready for the entire week. As always, we cannot have a great recipe without ingredients, and all you need is 5. Put these 5 ingredients on your shopping list. We have spinach, love my bag spinach, those Mission Carb Balance wraps, Sargento cheese, chicken, and yes, you could use rotisserie. You can make your own. I just grabbed the rotisserie chicken myself, and those marinated artichoke hearts. Let's talk about the artichokes. So if you're new here, my name is Shelly. I work as a dietitian. I have 2 cookbooks, Skinny Louisiana in the Kitchen, Skinny Louisiana in the Slow Cooker. And one of my favorite recipes in Skinny Louisiana in the Kitchen is roasted artichoke. Artichoke is so forgotten, and I don't want it to be. It has an amazing flavor. You see, I pulled 3 of these out for a wrap. Remember, we're making 5 of these, so of course you can chop up the entire jar. I love artichoke. Bring it into your life. It is amazing. Then we have our spinach to the side. It's washed, it's clean, it's been blotted and everything else. Remember, both spinach and artichoke are both low carb. The marinated artichoke hearts, please read the label for me. Make sure there's no added sugar to it. I love my Sargento cheese. You know, it's one of my favorite brands. I just divide it in half or split it in half, put it on each side of the wrap. So you would obviously need 5 slices for this if you're doing 5 of these wraps. We layer the spinach, artichoke on top of it. Use that PAM, that nonstick cooking spray. Now, I talked about this in an earlier video about the spray bottle oil. Let me know if you have one. I'm interested in purchasing one, but I don't want it to get clogged up. So if you have some tips for how to clean it, that was the problem I had with my first one. And another question I have is about the Mission Carb Balance wraps. I love these. Have you tried the ones from Aldi? Because I have. Let me know in the comments. Team Aldi. Go ahead and write that down for me. We're going to go ahead and cook these for about 1 minute and 30 seconds or about 2 minutes on each side. Medium heat. Don't want to go too high. We could burn it. And again, if you do 5 of these, hey, we're less than 15 minutes. Everything, which is fantastic. We can get all these ingredients at our local supermarket. We go ahead and give this a nice little flip. You're going to cut it in half. You can put it in your meal prep containers or your Ziploc bags. Gang, I'm Dietitian Shelly. If you need anything, let me know. But be sure to comment Team Low Carb in the description box. Thanks so much, gang. Take care. Bye-bye.